بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم نحمدہ و نصلی علی رسولہ الکریم. My most honorable brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Your host Sheikh Khokhar is at your service. Today I am presenting some guidelines how to save yourself from car accidents. Please listen carefully and try to act upon that. Number one, we should sit in the car saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Number two, we should start the car saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Number three, we should recite the Ayat Mubarakah, very famous dua for the driving. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu mukrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Number four, Ayatul Kursi, read Ayatul Kursi. Number five, read this Ayat Mubarakah, number 67, Surah Az-Zumar. The Ayat Mubarakah, here it is. وَمَا قَدَرُ اللَّهَ حَقَّ قَدْرِهِ وَالْأَرْضُ جَمِيعًا قَبْضَتُهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ وَالسَّمَاوَاتُ مَطْوِيَّاتٌ بِيَمِينِهِ سُبْحَانَهُ وَتَعَالَى عَمَّا يُشْرِكُونَ. Listen again. وَمَا قَدَرُ اللَّهَ حَقَّ قَدْرِهِ وَالْأَرْضُ جَمِيعًا قَبْضَتُهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ وَالسَّمَاوَاتُ مَطْوِيَّاتٌ بِيَمِينِهِ سُبْحَانَهُ وَتَعَالَى عَمَّا يُشْرِكُونَ. Inshallah, this ayat will give you guarantee not to facing any accident. Inshallah. Now, after reading these duas, blow on your body, on family and on the car. Now start the car and drive it under the light of state law. And make sure always do defensive driving, not offensive at all. Now when you reach your destination, say Shukr Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Subhanallah. In the end, I say a couplet of Urdu language and I will translate also. असहाबे अमल की दुनिया में दस्तूर यही है जीने का, इखलाक से जीता करते हैं, एहसान से दिल मोह लेते हैं. In the word of the action, this is the way to live a happy life, that we won the heart of the people by good character as well as by behaving with goodness. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين وما علينا إلا البلاغ. جزاك الله خير. شكرا كثيرا. Please share these duas with your loved one. Assalamu alaikum.